Hi guys, so for the first time, Samsung has released a 4K 60 frames per second on the front camera with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. There is no stabilization with the front 4K 60 frames per second, but it's really smooth. I know some of you dig 4K 60 frames per second. Let's go ahead and try exposure test. Exposure is not that great. You can see, you can't see the background even though it's not that bright. Why can't we get HDR? But it's real smooth. Real smooth. Focusing it takes forever with the front camera. I don't know why. It's focusing, there's a bug or something. I did update my phone to the latest update, so I should have the fix for it. But you can see it's not focusing on my nose unless I manually do it. Nope, it's not it's just like fixed focus, man. What the hell? Focus, hocus, focus, hocus, focus. So focusing is a huge issue. It's like a bug with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, or maybe the whole S20 Ultra series. If you do have an S20 Ultra or S20, try the 4K 60 frames per second and tell me it focuses. It's not. I can literally do this with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It will focus on my face right away, but it's just not focusing, yo. Where's the focus? Yeah, so I think the focus, it doesn't focus at all in 60 frames per second 4K. Oh, that's kind of terrible. All right, well, Samsung should be able to fix it. But I really like the 60 frames per second. It's really smooth. It's just like being here with me. Look at that. Go mine some Bitcoins. See, I've already predicted. Buy Android, ride electric skateboards. Many years ago, before I started doing both. Well, I don't know. Anyway, pretty good 60 frames per second. Let me know what you think. Front camera, pretty wide. I also like Samsung's cameras, front camera, how wide it is. They've gotten slightly wider every year, and you know, I think this is pretty good. I think they could go a little bit wider. Actually would prefer if manufacturers start making two cameras, like one super wide and one like this, so I can use it like a GoPro. You know, we absolutely need it because you need to be able to see yourself. The problem with back wide angle cameras, I mean, I guess you can point it at yourself, but it would be great to have it on the front. I think that's the next step for all the smartphone manufacturers, and LG did it before, and I don't know why they keep taking it out. And LG V60 now doesn't have it does not have a super wide angle in the front, so I'm so sad. But as soon as they bring it up, you're gonna be able to see my whole little homemade hut here. But yeah, focusing is not working. It's not working. What happened, Samsung? Anyway, have a great day. I just want to give you a quick hands-on experience with the Galaxy S20 Ultra front camera, 4K 60 frames per second. No focusing. Don't focus. Just keep it at this angle is fine. It's fixed focus. It's just basically fixed focus this here, I guess. Sort of disappointed. Bye.